Don't know how to change language in Tinder PC? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change the language for your Tinder profile in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the interface of Tinder, and right now, I want to change the language. Well, here's what we can do about it. At the top left, you'll see your profile. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. That's Edit Profile. Simply scroll down. And under the Display Preference tab, you'll see something like Language. Simply click on the tab right here. And then this will open up. Well, there are many languages available. Simply select whichever one you wish. I'm gonna select this one right now. And guys, there you go. As you can see, the language has been changed. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Well, as you can see, the language has been changed for everything. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your language for Tinder PC. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.